What's up guys, it's Connor with 4Runner Lifestyle, and we're going to show you how to install our 4Runner Lifestyle Sequential Turn Signals on this 2020 4Runner. One thing to note is that you have to already have pre-existing OEM turn signals on your 4Runner for these to be compatible, and it's just a quick plug and play install. We have two different versions of our sequential turn signals. This one on the left is our smoked version, and the one on the right is our black version. We're going to start by taking off this mirror first. How we're going to do that is just by pulling back on this side until it unclips. And then we're going to work around down here. Then pull off right here. And you're going to feel it unlatch. After you've done that and unplugged, you're just going to remove the mirror, and you can see where we unplugged right there. It just pulls right off. Now we are going to remove the mirror cap. To do that, you're just going to look right in here, and there's a white tab. It's white because this 4Runner is white. So you just pull that and then just pull the mirror cap at the same time, and it pops right off. Now that you got the mirror cap removed, we're just going to unscrew these two screws right here. With those two screws removed, we're now going to take off this plastic piece right here. To do that, you're going to look in here, and there is a little clip that you just push down, and then that pulls off like that. Now that we got that upper clip pushed down and the upper piece loosened up, you're just going to open it up, and there's a lower clip as well. It is right here. You just get a little screwdriver and just push on that. That will loosen up this lower piece right here. From there, I'm gonna come over here, and we're just gonna kind of loosen up the whole thing, and we'll just slowly start popping out. And then it'll just hang right here as we go to the next step. Now that we removed that piece right here, we're just going to unplug the OEM turn signal. Excited to get rid of this chrome. The way you're going to do that, you're just going to push down on this little tab right here, and then it will just pull right off. Now we're going to plug in the 4Runner Lifestyle Sequential Turn Signal. Just going to line it up and plug that right in. We're now going to assemble this all back together. So the easiest way to do that is to put the turn signal in like that, and then we're just going to line up the tabs. Clicking in that one on the bottom left over here, and then lining up the tabs over here as well so it pops into place. Making sure that weather stripping is in there. And that is clicked into place. We've got that screw right there and right there lined up, and we're ready to screw it back on. We're now just going to screw those two screws right back in. And then put the mirror cap back on, just lining up the tabs. And then we're going to throw the mirror back on by first plugging into right here with those two prongs. Once that's plugged in, you can just kind of see these tabs that go back into place, and then these three things right there line up with those three holes right there. Pretty much just snaps right back into place. And you're good. And there you have it. Now you've got sequential turn signals on your 4Runner. If you want to purchase these, we've got them on 4runnerlifestyle.com. We've got a link in the description that will take you right to the product.